Hi ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Green here, continuing on with our lesson on statistics. I want to make certain we get into this one just a little bit. This is 5.7. It's dealing with frequency distributions. Okay? Well, frequency distributions are a specific type of graph, a frequency graph. Okay? And so what you do with the frequency graph is you have to break it up into chunks of data. Does it matter how many chunks you have? It depends upon what you're trying to do. And how big the chunks need to be, it depends upon what you're trying to do. If we're looking at this data here, we've got 176, 135, 94, 84, 65, 93. Well, a lot of numbers there, right? So what I do to decide this is I try to look at this and break it up into classes that make sense to do. So I divided it up with 85 to 99, and then from 100 to 114, 115 to 129, 130 to 144, and so forth, and then 190 to 204. And then I wrote down how many times these numbers occurred in each one. It's a tally system that you need to pick up, okay? So 176, well 176 would be in this one right there. 135 is the next number, that'd be in this one right here. 94, that would be in this one right here. 182 would be back down here in this one. 165, well that'd be right here in this one. 193, that'd be in this one. 183, that'd be here. 86, that's back up here. 162, 145, 138, 149, 156, and 172. That'd be here. 161, that'd be here. 182, 123, 198, 169, 180, and 161. See how I tallied them up? Then you can add them up. Okay, I got 2 here, I got 0 here, I got 1 here, I got 2 here, I got 3 here, I've got 6 here, I've got 5 here, I've got 2 there. Let's see here. Something like that. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my graph, and I'm going to, my biggest number there is 6, so I'm going to just number up 1 to 7. Okay, and I'm going to put my little groups in here. I'm going to say 85 to 99, and I'm going to put that at 2. Okay, and then I'm going to say 100 to 114, and that was at 0, so I don't have to worry about that. And then I'm going to say from 115 to 129, and there was one of those, so it'd be up like this. And then it would be 130 to 144, and that was at 2, so it'd go up to 2 and over and back down. Okay, you see how I'm going about doing this, right? Making a frequency distribution chart is not that big a deal. Okay, now some of the questions that will come up: how many different groups or classes do I break it up into? It might depend upon how big your paper is, and how big your graph paper is, and how many groups you want to have on it. It might be based upon what you're trying to discover. You want to know if there's difference in 3 different groups, so you want to have it broken up into 3 different groups. You might be given how you want to have the frequencies broken up. Okay, so it's just a matter of whatever the question is showing you. Now, interestingly here, I say skewed left here. That's because this is not a normal distribution. It seems to be off this direction, doesn't it? Right? So it's kind of skewed to the left a little bit. I know that's to the right, but it's skewed left is what it's called. Okay? Now, a normal distribution, if you were looking at a frequency distribution, would look more like that. Okay? It would be more mounded in the center and shorter at the ends. That's what we'd be looking at for a normal distribution. So this one is missing some things over here on the left, so it's skewed left. Cool? Cool. Well, I hope this helps a little bit in looking at frequency distributions. We will be doing the last lesson on normality next time.